friends, I am going to discuss COVID-19 issue, which is also a current topic for all, for a common man to a businessman. In this topic, we will cover the following topics, which is shown on the screen. That is the basic info, symptoms and prevention, impact on world level, impact on India, Indian government steps, way forward. So, COVID 19, everyone, please listen this. I have a Telegram channel, and you can join me on that. Education on current topics. Yeah. So, move on. That first, we will discuss basic info. In this WHO, we will discuss about WHO. WHO is an organization to about the disease at world level. It is an organization who talks about the diseases which exists in the world or in a country. So, in 2019, there is a outbreak of coronavirus or COVID-19, which was first in China, but because of less communication, the WHO can't contact with Chinese government, and this all due to the non-use of Twitter handle by China, because WHO always aware the people and countries through Twitter first. So this is a reason why the coronavirus spread. Now here you see that virus name is SARS-CoV-2. SARS-CoV-2 here too means that the this disease came in 2002 in China in first time. So now this is the second time also this disease start from China, and but this time whole world suffering. So here full name for the virus is the severe acute respiratory syndrome, and the year of origin is 2019. Origin country is China, and high number of cases this time in US, and worst affected people is none the other but the old generation, which are in 60s or 70s now, and also that those peoples who are suffer with diseases this time. So move on. Next is symptoms. In this we can see that the symptoms of coronavirus or novel coronavirus COVID-19. In this, a person has fever, cough, difficulty in breathing, muscle pain, or lethargy, tiredness. So these are the symptoms, and the incubation period or the period when the all symptoms is shown in a person, if he has coronavirus. That period is 2 to 14 days. Now, next is prevention. Here we know that in present context we haven't any vaccine for coronavirus or COVID-19, but we can prevent it from following steps. First is wash your hands often. You can wash your hands at least 20 seconds or can use hand sanitizer. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth without unwashed hands. And also avoid contact with people who are sick. And if you have some urgent work outside, then you can cover your mouth and nose with face masks. Also you can stay in home. It is a safe option. And also make hygiene in your surrounding. Now next is the impact at world level. What is the impact is most affected continents. Here we will discuss that is the North America, where you see that in the present US is the most affected country, where one third cases registered. And followed by Europe, Asia. This is the area of Europe where we can see the country like France, Germany, Italy, and then Asia, where we see this region. In this, China, Japan, South Korea, India, these are the countries in Asia where the coronavirus exists. But China, you know, that experienced in 2022 that the first attack that time. And so this time the condition of China is in control. And also in South Korea there is an stability during COVID-19. Now we will discuss about that the negative impacts. So friends, we will see that the economic growth at world level is also important, that because we can see that the developed countries what they are doing. And this time during COVID-19 the world growth is at stable or growing very slow. Next is the globalization is in which there is an we can include the import and export between countries, means trade activities between the countries. Due to this COVID-19, many countries have now opportunity to change their base for manufacturing activities from China to their own indigenous country. Next is the increase in case of domestic violence. That during this lockdown period or coronavirus period, you may see that the number of cases has seen of domestic violence not only in India, but also in many developed countries like Germany, Italy, France, and Japan, UK. Their governments prepare separately for this. Supply of food and essential items in many countries. Many countries, there is an loss of. There are very or few traveling activities, so there is sometimes not possibility of foods or essential items to every home or every house or to every person. Next is the crude oil price fall down. Crude oil price fall down due to this COVID-19, because here we also see that you can see here that the traveling activities at minimal level. Because of this, the crude oil prices fall down, and recently news that the US oil prices down to 40 minus $40 per barrel. Here minus $40 per barrel is that there is an cost of keeping the cost of keeping the crude oil, and for this, if the country not sell, so they have loss more than that. Next is the reduction in medical equipments, medicines. Medical equipments or medicines. In recently, we see the condition in Italy, where the world class facilities available for medical treatments, but in COVID-19 crisis, the situation is gone down and not at par, so there is less of availability, and we can see the more number of deaths in Italy that time. Next, positive impacts. We discussed that negative impacts are these, and now we are going to discuss positive impacts. In positive impacts, lifestyle changes, better hygiene practice. Here every person now are going to habitual with hygiene practices. Increase the work online, or online businesses are going on. Now opportunity to change manufacturer base, what I have discussed, that it is a positive point also, that the country have an opportunity to change their manufacturing base. So next is the reduce dependency on other countries in future. Many countries now depend on China for their manufacturing activities, and also on other countries. So in future they will prepare well. Next is the impact on India. Impact on India, there are political impact, economic impact, geographical impact, social impact, and cultural impact. Now the political. Here postpone the election of local bodies in India. We can see that in past or in these 2 months, in Andhra Pradesh, there is also in Andhra Pradesh and MP, there the local bodies election didn't continue due to this COVID-19. Second is the shutdown of parliament and legislative assemblies. Next, ordinance instead of legislation. Government passed ordinance or president passed ordinance instead of legislation. Online meeting of ministries, also with the states, prime minister's meeting in India. Next is the economic impact on India. Also, there is the low GDP growth from some institutions. There is a report that showed that 1.5 to 2% will be the GDP growth in future for India. Unemployment is on large scale in India because of this COVID-19. Daily wage earners affected more and lost their jobs. More burden on government expenditure. More burden of government expenditure here means that budget already allocated, and but due to this disease the government have the more burden on the expenditure. Next, manufacturing activities in MSME and large scale industries. So everyone knows that the industries are already closed. So this is the economic point of view, and if government wants in future or in some months, they can start in green areas the services like traveling in on a limited basis. Next is the social. Here in social point of view, people maintaining social distancing postpone the marriages, online prayers, and even close the temples, mosques, churches, etc. Fear to visit any places, domestic violence. These all are in news that the social distancing because of COVID-19 and postpone of some marriages, that is or temple and mosques. We have also seen that we can see that in past or months there is online prayers. There was online prayer on in church and in India also in temples. Fear to visit any places means here that the if people have fear, then they can't go any place or unknown places, and to meet with peoples they can avoid or they may avoid. So next is the domestic violence. This is also a news before 15 days that the lockdown period or first week of lockdown, there is 300 cases registered of domestic violence in National Commission of Women in India. Many infected due to Jamaat gatherings. In cultural point of view, that we can see that the Jamaat gatherings every year in Nizamuddin in Delhi in India, but this time already the guidelines was given by Narendra Modi due to COVID-19, but the people gathered there, and due to this the many people infected, and in India large number of cases happened due to this. Temple and mosques were closed during their festivals like Navratra and Ramadan. We can see that in India every temple and mosques were closed. Next is Indian government steps. Indian government steps is the first in 24th of March. There is a lockdown. There was lockdown started by PM. Then insurance to health worker of rupees 50 lakh. In some cases in India there was given 50 lakh rupees and also a job to a police personnel that and next is the additional 5 kg food grains with 3 month at ration shops, free LPG cylinders, help to widow of rupees 1000, rupees 500 was given to Jandan account holders, ordinances for healthcare workers safety, cut down 30% salary of MP, and suspension of LEDs. Here LEDs means the local area development scheme, where every MP and MLA get the yearly benefit or yearly fund of rupees 5 crore by MLA at the for development of their areas. Next is the RBI injection liquidity through cut the basis points, but we can see in reality this benefit not given to the public because due to the some fear in banks that bad loans are happen due to this or fear of bad loans. Next is the judiciary. Judiciary also perform its functions during lockdown, that the judicial processes and hearings through video conferencing. Next, way forward to identify the migrants. Identify the migrants or identify the migrants and give them travel facility to their home, ensure the sufficient money with people or sufficient food to survive, provide health care facilities to all, and proper screening to people, through which we can ensure that the people not with coronavirus. More advertisement of helpline of woman cares or domestic violence, so that it is best for those who don't know about these helplines for women. Next is the monetary support to NGO for providing food and healthcare facilities. So this is also a step which was following by many countries, so we can also follow this, and this is last step can help much. So thank you friends, and we will meet on next lecture, and please comments about this lecture you like or not. If you like, then share and subscribe my channel and follow me on Telegram. I will post it there, this PDF. Thank you friends. Bye.